How to fix WhatsApp not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, if your application is not working properly, then make sure that you have a very strong Wi-Fi connection. Now for the second step, head over to your Play Store. At the search bar, type in WhatsApp and make sure this is updated. If you see update, tap on update. If it says open, that means your application is already updated. Leave this as it is and head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. Tap onto apps. Here again, search for WhatsApp. At this section, tap on storage, then simply clear the cache. Now for the next step, come back onto app info page. Tap on permissions and make sure that you have given permissions for all the things that are required like camera, contacts, and microphone. Come back onto app info page. Tap on force stop, then OK. Likewise, once you do all this, restart your device and this shall work. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.